Yo, 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 yo. Yo, what's up? Can you hear me? Yo, what's up? Can you hear me? Hello, what's up, everyone? Can anyone hear me, by the way? Yo, what's up, guys? Jacob, Mohammed, David, Nicholas. It's a little quiet. How about this? Is it louder now? I'm like trying different setups. So I'm trying this like little mic I have, but I have no idea how it sounds. Maybe I need to turn the gain up. Let's try some things. You guys can help me. Let's see. Tell me if there's a lot of noise though, because I think when you increase the gain, I don't know, maybe this will work. But yeah, maybe I just gotta be like close to this thing. I have no idea. How's everyone doing though? So yeah, what has been up? I have. So I live in New York. If you don't know, so let me see if I can put this like here. Nice. Then I can look at this camera. Um. So what has been up? Let's see. Also, wait. Let me tell Instagram that I'm live so people can show up. Let's see. What's up, Corbin? What's up, David? Max. I need to figure out how to like make this setup consistent, you know? Because I feel like sometimes the volume's chill, sometimes it's not. But if you guys can hear me, it should be fine. All right, let me post an Insta really quick, and then yes, we're gonna learn some Java. Also, if I sound a little tired, it's because I live in New York, but I'm home right now, so I'm in Texas. And I don't know if any of you follow me on Instagram. If you don't, you should go do that. But I posted some stories. Basically, I got on this flight, and there was no Wi-Fi, and I forgot to download any movies or music. So I just sat on this 4-hour flight, literally in purgatory. There was like 3 songs cached on my phone, and I was just listening to them on repeat. it was miserable. So I'm pretty exhausted, but the programming grind doesn't stop, so we need to study a little bit. What's up, Greg? Greg. What's up, Mohammed? Bishal, David, my boy Max Ratna. Let's go. What's up, Phoenix? All right, one sec. Let me post. The really annoying thing though is like, how do I get the GovTech is the way. What's up, Shane? How long have I been studying? Jorge, I'm gonna assume that's how it's pronounced. I have been studying for not very long. Actually, not long at all. I have an interview this Friday, and I don't know any Java, so we out here. All right, keep getting distracted. One sec. The airline didn't have any shows on the small TV. No, I flew Spirit because I hate my life. That's it. Yes. What's up, Coding HK? Greg, why Java, not C Sharp? I have an interview coming up Friday, and they forced me to be in Java, so I guess I gotta learn some Java. Okay, how do I get this live stream link so I can post it on Instagram? Let's see. Have I considered doing OnlyFans? I wish. I mean, I've considered it. Maybe I'll just maybe this will be the day. This live stream right here. That's when I'm gonna do it. Like, were they firm about it? Yeah, they were really firm about it. Like, I remember I asked the recruiter, I was like, hey, what should I expect? And he just sent me one line. It was like, interview in Java. And I was like, okay. All right, it's on the story. There we go. All right, let's get started. How many people we got here? 42. Amazing. Welcome. Which of these cannot be used for a variable name in Java? Identifier and keyword. Wait, what? Identifier and keyword. Identifier or keyword. None of them mentioned. Oh my god, you're quizzing me. Which cannot be, okay, so variable names. Okay, what's a keyword? Like, I don't know, static, right? So you can't name a variable static. I know that for sure. So I think probably can't be what's an identifier? Well, let's figure that out first. Identifier versus keyword. Keywords are predefined and specific reserved words which hold special meaning. I'm still confused. Geeks for geeks, the only thing. Sorry, we can't support right now. Okay, keywords are predefined words that get reserved. Identifiers. Alright, I still don't fully understand the difference, but I'm pretty sure it's both, right? You can't do either. You can't name variables, keywords, or identifiers, right? Examples of keywords are int, char, if, while, do. Identifiers are... Wait, what? Wait, maybe it can be identifier. Yeah, I'm not really sure. Actually, they might ask me that. What is the difference between these? Identifiers are test, count one, high speed, etc. So wait, are identifiers just variable names? Also, I kind of like I like it over here. Cool. Java keywords are known as reserved words. Keywords are particular words that act as a key to a code. Okay, here we go. Examples. My num is an identifier. Okay, that makes sense. Country is an identifier. And keywords are like data types and stuff, right? Yeah, so you can't name variable names keywords, but you can name identifiers because by definition, they're identifiers. Okay, cool. Well, let's. How's audio, everyone? By the way, let me know how audio is. If not, I'll get like another mic. But as long as you can kind of hear me, I think we should be good at least for today. Hi. So what are we doing today? Nitu, we are learning Java Part 2. I think what I want to do is to catch you all up. Yesterday, what I did was on stream, I just like learned how to write Java essentially. So like I just just wrote a bunch of code um, to understand like the different keywords, how to make arrays, all that because on it I forgot everything. Like literally I forgot everything. You can see I did FizzBuzz basically on stream yesterday. So I think I kind of remember now some of the basics. So what I want to do is just go on LeetCode and then basically solve problems, but I have to use Java. I can't use Python. So that's probably what I'm going to do today. So let's do that. Also, I want to turn the brightness of my monitor up. How can I do that? Settings. Brightness. It's already at 100. Oh, GG. Alright, I guess. Okay, cool. Let's go to LeetCode. King Fu, am I unemployed? Yes. Yes, I am. Alright, so let's go to LeetCode. Problems. Alright, does anyone have a favorite LeetCode problem that I should try? Let's start with, let's do an easy. Can I? Okay, difficulty easy. Why is this hard one just here randomly? What the hell? Alright, two-sum is pretty easy. Merge two sorted lists. Ooh, lists. I should probably do that so then I can use array lists. Let's do merge two sorted lists. What's up, Syed? What's up, Nitu? Cool. Alright, let's do this problem. So what is this? Are these linked lists? That's disgusting. Alright, Java. Okay, so we've got a singly linked list called, so we have some class list node, sure. And then we have some next, and then we have something. Okay, cool. Reverse the linked list is a great one. Okay, we'll do that one next. Let's do this one, then we can do reverse right after this. Okay, so you're given the head of two sorted lists, list 1 and list 2. Merge them into one sorted list. The list should be made by splicing together the nodes. So like for example, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's by which one's greater. Okay, cool. So one thing we have to keep in mind for this one is what if they're not the same length? So we finish the shorter one, then we want to go to the longer one. So we're gonna have some like while thing at the end, but I don't think it should be too bad. Okay, cool, let's do it. So we want some like output. So we want some output. And it's gonna have some val, which is fine. And you can actually give it a val. So let's just give it a dummy val. Like, I don't know. Because we're actually we're gonna return this plus this is next one. So we want to save this as like head, and then head's gonna move, so we want like output to be that. Okay, cool. So then let's like make a copy of this, where head is just gonna be this. Okay, cool. So it's like a reference. So then we're gonna return output. Actually, we're gonna return output dot next, I think. cool. So we have output, which is -1, and then head is the output. So that's fine, I think. Okay, cool. So now what we want to do is while list1 exists and list2 exists, we want to do some stuff. Okay, so while we have list1 and we have list2, we want to so we want to do like head dot next is going to be, so first of all we need to check. So if it exists, then we know that there's a value here. So if list1 dot val is greater than list2 dot val, what we want to do is we want to make head dot okay, wait, let me focus. So we have output is just -1, and we're going to return output dot next. Okay, fine. And then head is just the output. Yo, what's up, Albert? What's up, Drew? What's up, Leo? Okay, so, no, man, focus. You gotta focus. Alright, so we have list1, we have list2. So we make output be some dummy value. Fine. And then we have a pointer to it, so we have a head. Okay. So now what we want to do is we want to move head. But output doesn't have a next yet. So what we want to do is we want head.next to be a new list node. And we want it to be list1.val because that's the bigger one. Otherwise, we want head.next to be list2.val. Head.next is going to be that, or head.next is going to be that. Okay, cool. And then what we want to do is if we did this one, then we want to make list1 equal list1.next because we want to move it equals list2.next. And then we need to make head equal head.next, right? We got to move it up. Oh, we also have this thing. What is this? List node of the value and then the next. Oh, we might want to use that actually. Okay, we do this until one of these ends, and then while there's still something left, we're just going to do the same thing here. Because we need to make sure that if one of them ends early, we got to do the other ones. List 2. Yeah, X Henry, X14, you're totally right. It's best to like flush out your solution before you actually do it. New list node val. Oh yes, thank you. So we need to actually make a new one. That is true. We need to make a new one. I'm just so used to Python. New and new. Okay, so the other good thing to do when you're doing an interview is before you actually run the code, you want to kind of just go through your solution and make sure it at least makes sense. So we made -1, and then we said head is the output. Fine. Then we said, okay, if there's while there's either of them, if the value is greater, wait, we want it to be sorted in sorted order. So actually we want the lesser one to go first, right? So actually we want this. If this is smaller, then we want to add it. Otherwise, we want to add this. So we want to do head.next is going to be, we make a new list with that value. And then we mutate this. We increment it. Otherwise, we make it be value 2, and then we increment it, and then no matter what, we want our head to be the next one. And then we keep going, and then we do the same thing here. Cool. Yo, what's up, Kevin? I need semicolons at the end. Yes, you're totally right. Is this Java? Why is it not complaining, though? I feel like you're right. I should need semicolons, but it's not. Shivgun, yes, Kevin is the legend. Kevin Naughton is a legend. Okay. You know, there's some cool thing you can do. I think if you like click option, look at that. Isn't that cool, chat? I can like just do that. That's pretty sick. What's up, Leo? Cool. All right. You know what? I feel decent about this. I wouldn't say I feel great, but I feel decent. Let's just run it, see what happens. Okay. Bad operand types for binary operator. So I know in Python you can do something like this. I think in Java you can't just do something like this. So while list1 and list2, I basically want to say while they exist. So maybe we can do like while it's not null, maybe? While is, how do you say not null? Like that, maybe? How do you know it's null? So if this thing is just passed in null, what was the test case? 1, 2, 4. I feel like you can just do not null, right? And maybe same thing here. So while list1 is not null, and then same thing here, right? I think we have to do this. So it's not like in Python Python's smart, you can just do something like that. Okay, let's run this. Uh-oh. Hey, let's go, baby. Oh, let's just submit it. Why not? Let's go. I'm actually very surprised that worked. I mean, I'm like, yeah, no, I'm not gonna lie, I'm surprised. I'm surprised. What's up, Abhishek? Yo, sorry, man. Sorry that you lost your job. Don't worry, though. It's gonna be okay. Okay, well, we solved a problem. All right, what was the other one people wanted to do? Reverse, right? Let's do reverse. Oops. Problems. Reverse. Integer. Reverse string. Reverse linked list. Okay. Given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reversed list. All right, so you're given the head here. So, ooh, interesting. You know what? It's like, it's so weird because like I've done all these problems before so long ago. So now I'm like trying to do it again, but it's like part of me just wants to remember what I did 5 years ago, and then part of me is like, nah, do it from scratch. And it's much better for me to do it from scratch. So let's actually let's try to reason about this. So you're given the head of a singly linked list. You want to reverse the list and return the reverse list. Okay, that makes sense. So you're given a 1. So how do you know that the 5 is going to come first? If it was doubly linked list, then you'd be chilling, because then you could just like iterate all the way to the end and then just literally go backwards, right? Because you could just go previous. Your voice is a bit low. Yeah, people are telling me that. I can hold it here, but then I have to like hold it while I type, which is kind of annoying. So I don't know. Let me try to figure out a better way to do this. I can just increase the gain, maybe, or I can just like talk really close to it. I don't know. Or you know what? I can get a mic, maybe. Jesus, yeah, most LeetCode problems are about data structures and algorithms. What do you guys think? Should I get a mic? I can get a mic. Just attach it to myself. Or I can just increase the gain even more. Let me try to increase the gain. Tell me if it gets really noisy, though. How's this right now? Is this good? Is it louder? Need to let me know if it's louder. Okay, so how do you reverse? Mm, Yo, it's a pointy trek. Hello from India, man. Hello, hello. Headphone mic should be fine. Yeah, I'm using. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm trying to use this like thing, but maybe it's not good. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's see. So, given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reverse list. Okay, so let's start with a really easy example. 1, 2, 2, 1. How do you know my voice is very low? Okay, one sec, everyone. I'll be right back. Hello. Oh my god, that's so loud. Hello. Is this loud? Oh, I feel like the gain is still loud. Okay, hello, hello. How's this, everyone? Okay, chat, let me know if this sounds better. I just have a lav mic now. Sweet. All right, well, I'm glad everyone can hear me now. Okay, so we're trying to solve this problem, which I keep getting distracted, but now that we don't have mic issues, let's just solve it. Okay, given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reverse list. Okay, so if we had some way to get to the very end, let's say we just iterated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got to 5. We can't go back unless we build up a list. No, but that won't help us because it's just the same list, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yo, what's up, Marshall? What's up, Fallon? Yo, thanks, Kevin. It's so crazy, actually. I don't know, Kevin, have you ever live streamed before? There's so much. I didn't know there's so many logistics to get this stuff started. Okay, so let's say we built up a linked list on the way up. So let's say we went from 1, then we got to 2. And then instead of having 1 point to 2, we pointed 2 to 1. Then we got to 3, we pointed 3 to 2, 4, 5, right? And then once we got to 5, we have this list which we can iterate down. And it should be in reverse order. Maybe? King Fu, do I need a hint? Honestly, maybe in a bit, but it's bothering me. This is Elite Code Easy, and it's taking me this long to try to figure out what's going on. But let me try that idea. So let's say we went from 1 to 2, And as I went from 1 to 2, I basically pointed this way. And then I pointed to 3. And then I pointed to 4, and then I pointed to 5. And then now if I return this, this is the head, right? This is the reverse list, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I feel like we just do that. Yeah, does that make sense? Well, let's try that. So we have the head. So once again, we're going to have like, I don't know, output. Output is going to be a new list node, and the output initially is going to be -1. Oh, but we also don't want some dummy output this time. We don't want, so how do we want to, so when we go from 1 to 2, we want to map the 2 to a 1. 1 to 2. We want to map the 2 to the 1. So actually we want this to be, it's honestly kind of pressure to do this on a live stream because I feel like people are watching. But honestly, that's what a real interview is, right? When you're on the interview, people, like, someone's actually watching you do it. So I need to get over the jitters. Okay, so let's do what I know for sure. We're gonna have while head is not null, we're gonna do something. Yep, and then no matter what, we're always gonna do this. So that's what we know for sure. So in the beginning, head is 1. So head is not null, it comes in and we're like 1. So what we do is we say okay, cool. So this is, oh, but what if it's, yo, what's up, Shannon? I think you're overthinking. There's an easy brute force and you can optimize. So what I feel like what I'm trying to do is maybe the brute force. Maybe what I'm trying to do is optimal. But we need to take care of it. Like, what if head doesn't exist? What are the constraints here? It says that the number of nodes in the range is 0 to 5,000. So, okay, so if head is null, just return, I don't know, head. So just return null, right? Okay, so if head is not null, then it might still not have a next though. So if head.next is null, then also just return head because that's reversed basically. So now we know for sure that this exists. So we have an output. So in this case, output is going to be 2 and head is 1. Nice. So now before we make head go up, we're going to say output dot next is going to be what head is, right? And then we're going to say output is output dot next. And at the end, we return output. Okay, let's try this. So again, before you ever run code, you always want to sanity check it. Otherwise, the interviewer is going to be like, wait, you can only debug your code when you run it. So let's give it a sanity check. Let's actually try this example. So we know that head is, none of these are going to be hit. So over here, we know that I like to just do it in like a comment. So we know that output is going to initially be 2 and head is 1. Cool. So now we say, well, head is not null and it's not. Output.next is going to be head, which is 1. And then output.next is going to be 1. Output.next two to 1. Whoa, wait, my head is spinning now. So output starts at 2, head starts at 1. That's correct. So we want output to map to head, so 2 to 1. And then head becomes 2. Head becomes 2. And output becomes 1, which is just wrong. Oh. I think we need to have 2 pointers, like I have, where one pointer is always 1 ahead. And then as they move together, we just set them to be. Does that kind of make sense? The Raging Abs. I take 2 hours in Elite Code easy. It's tough out here. Super tough out here. So I'm actually name these something better maybe. So we have head. Okay, so this is output is head.next. So output starts at 2. No, I'm confused. Yeah, it's a 2-pointer problem. Yeah, so that's correct. We have 2 points. We have 2 pointers. We have head is 1, output is 2. Then head should become 2 and output is 3. 3 maps to head. You know what? Let's just run it. I'm too lazy. Oh my god, semicolons. Is this infinite? Yeah, it's infinite. So head is just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we need output to be a little bit faster. So output.next is always going to be head. You know what? I think I need a piece of paper. You can't do this stuff hand wavy. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so I'm just like drawing stuff on a piece of paper. Okay, so let's say we have head pointer and then we have output pointer. So we have output is head.next. Cool. So now the first thing we always do while head is not null. Actually, it's going to be while output is not null, right? So what we're going to do is output.next is going to be head. So 2 is 1. Nice. Then what we're going to do is we're going to say output.next is head. Okay, so the output is going to go up here. And head's going to go up here. And then we say, oh, that's not going to work. 2 mapped to 1. And then 3 mapped to 2. Wait, no, that works actually. All right, because then output is here, and then the first thing we say is output.next. So 3.next is 2. And then we have 4, and 4 maps to 3. So wait, why does this not work? Am I tripping? I am tripping. Okay, let's start printing stuff. So Matthew, the interview is Friday. Thankfully, I think the interview is actually going to be on like programming rather than leak code, but I want to try leak code anyway. Okay, output is 2, head is 1. That makes sense. But then why doesn't it go up? Because output is 2, head is 1. Then output.next is head. So, and then output is output.next. So output is just head, which is 1. I don't know if I'm just tired and my brain is fried or I'm just dumb, but I'm so confused. 1. So if we start here and then here, so 2 maps to 1. All right, you know what? I'm too tired to actually try to figure this out, so we're just going to read the solution. Use 2 methods. Java. All right. Of course, it's just 5 lines. Are you kidding me? Okay, prev is null, current is head. What is this? Okay, prev is null, all right, and then current is head. So prev initially starts as null, and current starts at head. And what is the head is like 1, right? Okay, head is 1. So while current is not null, next, another node called next. Next is current.next. So next is 2. And then current.next is pre. All right, boys and girls, honestly, I'm still not understanding this. I'm just going to feel good about myself and say that I'm just tired, but honestly, I don't know what is going on. We're just going to leave this and come back to it later because my brain is fried. My brain is hella fried. I don't want to do linked list again ever in my life. Ever. It's just 3 pointers. Why do you need 3 pointers though? Head. Oh, you need the third pointer because you need to, it's like a temp variable, right? You need to keep track of what it is before it gets overwritten. Yeah, distributed systems, I think you're right. I think using like output and head and stuff did not help my cause. I think the whole previous, current, next makes a lot more sense. So previous is the node before, current is the node after, and the next is the node after. I'm basically setting next to be, I think like theoretically in my head it all makes sense, but then even if I wrote it down right now, it would not work. All right, can someone give me a problem that I can actually solve, please, so I feel good about myself? Today's problem solve. How do you do that? How do you find today's problem? Oh, can I just look it up here? Oh, okay. You want me to elite code hard? Are you joking? This problem is an interactive problem. Bro, what? You may recall that array R is a mountain array if and only if the length is greater than or equal to 3, given a mountain, return the minimum index such that mountain r.get of that index is a target. If it doesn't exist, return -1. Okay, an array is a mountain if and only if the length is greater than 3. There exists some I with, okay, such that oh, so it's like a mountain, it's a peak. Okay. So given a mountain array, so you know it's going to be a mountain, return the minimum index such that mountain r.get of that index is a target. Okay. You cannot access the mountain directly. You may only access it using an interface. Mountain array.get k returns the element of the array at index k. Length returns the length. Submissions making more than 100 calls will be judged wrong answer. Also, any solutions that attempt to circumvent the judge will result in disqualification. Okay, so I already know that there's a clue, I mean, because it says more than 100 calls is going to be judged wrong, which means that we have to do some sort of like binary search or something log, which also makes sense because we're searching for something. And usually if someone says search and you need to do it optimally, usually binary search is the way to do it. Also, I don't want this thing. So let's say we're given this, and this is a mountain because 1, 2, 3, 4. So, okay, there needs to only be one peak. So in this one, the peak is 5 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 increases and then 3, 1 decreases. So that's a mountain. Is this a mountain? 0, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1. It is a mountain. Actually, all these are going to be mountains because we're given mountains, right? Okay. So given a mountain, return the minimum index such that that index is the target. So here we want to find 3. So the minimum index is 2 because there's 2 3s that exist. 0, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. But the minimum is 2. Okay, I understand what we need to do. So why can't we just binary search it twice? Oh, because I'm pretty sure binary search, it needs to be sorted. And this one isn't sorted. Only half of it is sorted. So we can't straight away binary search this. Also, I'm pretty sure, wait, can you have duplicates in binary search? If you wanted to find, I think you can, it'll just arbitrarily pick one, right? If you had duplicates, because if it's sorted, then the duplicates would be right next to each other, so it'll just return one of them. So in this case, let's say we sort it, and then we binary searched it. That wouldn't work because then we would lose a concept of index because we'd have new indices then, right? Because right now the 3 is at 2 and 5, but if we sorted it, then it would be at 0, 1, 2, and 3. So that wouldn't work. But I still think we want to binary search. What if we binary searched half the array? So we make one pass to figure out the index of the mountain, and then we binary search the first half, and then we binary search the second half. And we know that if we hit it in the first half, then that's always going to be the answer because it is going up in the mountain. And if we don't find it in the first half, then it's going to be the second half, which is fine. Would that work? Sorry, let me read the chat. Distributed systems programmer, get k minus 1, k plus 1. If it is increasing, then go right, and if it's decreasing, go left. Otherwise, it's a mountain. Get k minus 1. Get k minus 1. But so we can't binary search this because let's say we look at the middle. We're looking for 3. So we look at the middle in that first one, and in the end it's 4. We don't know if we should go smaller or higher because 4 could be the mountain. But if we knew the position of the mountain and we know the mountain is up, then we can safely go left, right? But if the mountain is before us and the target is less than 4, then we know that we have to go right. What about the idea of binary searching both halves? Let's say you binary search 1 to the mountain, you'd find it. And then you did mountain that, you'd also find it. Is it always guaranteed to be in the first half? Let's say you wanted to find target as 6. That doesn't even exist. But let's say you wanted to find 4, and the array was 1, 2, 5, 4, 1. You would search in the beginning, you wouldn't find it. You would search in the end, you wouldn't find it. Yeah, so I think, why can't we just binary search both? Would that hit the more than 100 calls? I don't think so, right? Because how big could this be? It can be 3 to 10 to the 4th. What is 10 to the 4th? 10 to the 4th is that. So what is log of this? Four. Is that right? Oh, I mean, that makes, I'm dumb. It's basic math, right? Because it's log 10 of 10 to the 4th, so it's going to be 4. I feel like we can just binary search. I don't think you can sort because you can't access the array directly. Oh, I totally forgot about that. You're so right, Ben. If you could access the array, then I think binary search both and then figure out if you hit it in the first half or the second half. If you hit in the first, it's always going to be the first. If you hit in the second, if you hit in both, it's going to be first. If you hit only in the first, it's first. And if you hit only in the second, then second. If you hit in neither, then it's none. But yes, so get k returns the element of the array at index k. Okay. So can't you say k minus 1, k minus 2, k minus 3, k minus 4, k minus whatever? So if you say, okay, give me at index length divided by 2. So first we figure out where the mountain is. And then I still feel like, why can't you binary search both halves? Even if you can do dot get. Because you say, give me the element. So first you go figure out the index of the mountain. So in that first example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 1, you'd have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the mountain would be at index 4. So then you say, okay, give me the element at index 4. Give me the element at index 0, binary search that to find the target. So you know that it's going to be 0 to 4 basically. So then you look for 2 and then 1, right? And then you do the same thing, but you kind of like reverse binary search of the other side. Let's see if we can binary search just the first half. So first thing we do is find the mountain. So the mountain is going to be the thing where on both sides it's decreasing. So the mountain is always going to be at least 3, right? Okay, so we can go from 1. You need an invariant to binary search. What does that mean? I'm a little confused. Why? Can someone explain to me what do you mean by invariant for binary search? Yeah, knapsack is a trivial problem. I do that in my sleep. Oh my god. This is actually going to be the death of me. Oh my god. My eyes are watering looking at this. 1 length. So we can do +1, right? All right, so if So if this is it, then we know the mountain index is going to be I. If we don't hit it, then there's no, I mean, we will hit it because there has to be a mountain. Is I plus 1 always guaranteed to be in the bounds? It's not, right? So we start at 1. So we have 2, whatever. But once we get to 2, there's no more. So we also need to make sure that that is true. If I plus 1 is in the bounds of, and this is like kind of a gimme, but I'm not even like 1% through this problem. But one thing to do is instead of recomputing everything, you can just be like int mountain or length, and you can compute it once, which is nice. Okay, and then I always forget all the semicolons. No. We want this one to be bigger than that one, and we also want it to be bigger than that one. Okay, cool. So the mountain index is 4 and the value is 5. Okay, cool. So we found the mountain index. So now, this might not be optimal, but I think we can binary search from 0 to the mountain index and the mountain index to the end. So I guess let's try that. Wait, what if there's duplicates? What if there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 1, and you try to binary search? It's going to stop. So actually, I don't think binary searching both is going to work. Because if there's duplicates, it's not going to work. Because the binary search will stop. Yeah? Does that make sense? Someone want to fact check that in the chat? Did it say anything about duplicates? I don't think it did. Because binary search just finds the first hit, right? If you have like an array, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and you ask it to find 2, it's just going to look in the middle and be like, I found 2. It won't find you the smallest index of 2, right? I'm pretty sure. You can binary search on duplicates. I guess, I mean, you can do duplicate. It wouldn't stop. It depends how you implement it. But if you're like, you could keep trying to look for it, I guess. Always think, how would you go for linear search first, then think of binary search? So how would you do it in linear search? With duplicates, this problem is unsolvable. Well, does it say there's no duplicates? I feel like... It doesn't say anything about duplicates. Okay. I'm once again tired, so we're going to look at the solutions and see if I was even close. Binary search. All right, well, at least I said one of the words correctly. Oh yeah, there aren't duplicates because of the statement. Wait one sec. I want to look at the statement. Where does it say that statement? Oh, yes. Yes. Good call. There are no duplicates. So then I think my solution would work. I think you binary search the first half and you binary search the second half. And it would work, right? I'm sure the solution would do like only one binary search because it's like extra savage, but like, suppose we have a mountain, we want to find the target. We'll perform binary search in 2 steps. First, we'll find the peak of the mountain, and then we'll search on both sides. Wait, isn't that what I said? That is literally what I said, right? Chat. You find the peak, which is what my mountain index is, which I figured out how to do. And then I was too lazy to implement the 2 binary searches, but you just binary search the first half and the second half, and then you just return the smallest index, right? Oh. Wait, what the? Why does peak index look so complicated and mine looks so simple? Oh my god. It found peak with binary search too. That's extra savage. Wait, it found the peak with binary search. That's crazy. It's like find a number, and then if the numbers on both sides are not smaller, then go up. right? Okay, but I am I'm once again tired. Don't worry though. Tomorrow I'm gonna stream in the morning. I'm gonna wake up fresh and I'm just gonna write code all day basically. So I'm just gonna have like a extra long stream. It's gonna be hella long. But today I'm just tired. How long have I been streaming? About an hour? Yo, shout out to distributed systems programmer. Legend. One Hyuk Cho, aren't you working in the morning? Your boy is unemployed. Sorry, I haven't been looking at chat as much as I probably should. But yes, your boy's unemployed. But you guys already know that, right? Oh, okay, let's take a little break. My brain is fried. What did we do? We did merge linked list, which I actually got. Reversed makes my brain hurt. And then this one, I guess I got the like high level, but coding this won't be trivial. Coding a binary search is never easy. It doesn't matter how many times you've seen binary search. It's not easy. What's up, man? What's up on here? Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate the love, guys. You know what? I'm a little bored. I mean, I'm kind of tired to think, but I do want to learn more Java. Let's just do like a Java OOP interview questions. No, but I want some like multiple choice stuff. Man, can I have multiple choice, please? Okay, this looks better. Wait, but why does it just literally have the answer right in, like, I can't even, there's like massive zoom this or what? No, I literally cannot do this. What is this? Man, just let me have my ad blocker, please. All right, start. There we go, finally, an actual quiz. Ask ChatGPT to generate some questions. Yo, you legend. Let me actually do that. ChatGPT. I have a Java interview coming up. Can you please test my knowledge through MCQs? Wait, is it gonna give me? Whoa. ChatGPT, chill out. Feel free to answer these questions and I'll provide feedback and explanations for each one. Wait, that's crazy. Yo, Ben, my Java interview's Friday. All right, so let's do one. And then we can do 2 and 3 and so forth. Okay, 1. What is the primary purpose of the java.lang package? Basic Java language functionality. Which of the following is not a primitive data type? Int, char, float. Oh, it's string because it's capital. In Java, what keyword is used to define a constant that cannot be changed after it's initialized? Ooh. It's not static. It's not constant. Final. Const. I feel like const is like another language. I think it's final. Which of the following is not a valid access modifier? Protected, static, private, public. Wait, what? These are all legit. Oh, I think it's static. Static's not technically the access modifier. What is the purpose of the break statement? To terminate, to exit the current loop or switch, to skip. It's not to skip because that's continue, to resume the next iteration. I think it's exit. In Java, what is the superclass of all classes by default? I think it's just object, right? Everything in Java is an object. What is the difference between ArrayList and linked list? ArrayList is a dynamic array, while linked list is a linked list. Lol. ArrayList can only store objects of the same data type. Ooh. Is that true? That is true because when you make an array list, you give it a type, right? I think, so this part of the statement is true. ArrayList can only store objects of the same data type. Linked list can store different, can it? I don't know, let's come back to it. It's more memory efficient. Well, that's not true because this thing guzzles memory, right? Because it just automatically increases the size depending on what it needs. Linked list is faster for random access operations. What does that even mean? I'm pretty sure linked list is a subtype of array list. I'm going to say it's B, but I'm not sure. What is the purpose of the super? To refer to the super class, to create an instance of a class, to call a static method, to access the current class's instance variables. No, it's A, right? Which of the following statements is true about Java's garbage collection? You can explicitly control when it's garbage collected. It's always done in a separate thread. Objects with no references are automatically eligible for garbage collection. I think it's C, right? I don't think you have to have garbage collection, but if you have no references, then it's automatically eligible. What is method overloading? Defining multiple methods with the same name. Defining multiple constructors with different parameter lists. Let's see. C, D, A, D, B, A, B, A, C, C? Wait. Which ones did I get wrong? You got 2 questions wrong. Which of the following is not a primitive? I said D. What? Is ChatGPT trolling me? Wait, am I just misreading this or did I get this right? Hello? Excuse me? ChatGPT? You got 7 wrong. What is going on? What did I actually get wrong? I'm confused now. I said 7 was B, but it's A. Okay, so I did get 7 wrong. What else did I get wrong? Do I have to do this again? C, D, A, D, B. C, D, A, D, B. All right, so I got those right. 6A, 6A. Okay, 7 I got wrong. What about 8? A, C, and what was 10? C. Wait, so the only one I got wrong was 7, right? So what was 7? Array list is a dynamic array, while linked list is a linked list. Array list is based on a dynamic array, while linked list is a doubly linked list. Array list accessing element takes O of 1, adding takes O of n. In linked list, inserting takes O of n, and accessing also takes O of n. But linked list uses more memory than array list. Really? Wait, so linked list is just bad for everything. They're both implementations of the list interface. Linked list is doubly linked, array list is dynamically resizing. Oh, remove is O of 1 because it's doubly linked. I see. And add is also O of 1 because it's doubly linked. Okay, I see. Good night, Shashank. I love you. Okay, that's fine, I guess. Do props quiz. I don't know what that is. Hello world, variables, control flow, object-oriented programming. Let's see if animal, dog extends animal, they both speak. If you do animal speak, it'll do dog, or so dog speak will do dog, animal, okay. Exception handling, try catch finally. Collections. Java provides various data structures like array list, hash map, and others. Yo, I never practiced hash map. I definitely need to know hash map. Hash map of string mapped to string called hash is going to be a new hash map. And then how do I actually add stuff to it? Hash.put numen Kapoor. And now if I system.out.println of hash, it should just print everything, right? Let's comment this guy out. Numen equals Kapoor. Okay, cool. So what if I do hash.get numen? It should just say Kapoor. Dope. All right, that's not too bad. Learn how to write and read data using buffered read, buffered writer, and scanner. God, that sounds horrible. Java supports multi-threading. Okay. Explore the Java standard library. Okay. Understand design patterns, singleton, factory, and MVC. Practice. Lol. Practice is essential. Well, we ain't got time for that. ChatGPT. Look into Q as well. Abstract class versus interface, Java Lambda, and competitors are a pretty big deal too, so you can sort an array into objects. Yo, thanks, Nicholas. Scott, have I learned about the Java Stream API? I think so. But you know, we'll just learn it together again. Free Drew WFTG. Hey Naman, met you in Washington Square Park last spring, and my friend Rumi drew you as a portrait. Yo, I remember that. I still have that drawing, by the way. I still have that drawing. I just want to say I've been loving your channel ever since, and you inspire me to keep programming. Dude, that makes me so happy. Thank you so much for watching. We should meet up again. Like, you guys can teach me to draw, maybe. Maybe in Washington Square Park, round 2. Maybe when I'm back in New York. Let's make it happen. Okay, Java stream. All right, let's see. You should use an empty method in case of the creation of an empty stream. Okay. What is this? We often can use empty upon creation. So if we have a collection and then we stream it, that sounds reasonable. Stream of an array. You can also create a stream out of an existing array or a part of an array. So you can give it indices. Builder is used. Stream.builder .add A, .add B, .add C, .build. Stream.string builder. Okay. Generate, iterate, stream primitive, stream of a string. So why would you stream? Is it more efficient? Capital 1. The simplest way to think of Java streams is imagining a list of objects that are disconnected from each other, entering a pipeline one at a time. You can control how many of these objects enter the pipeline, what you do to these objects inside of the pipeline, and how you catch these objects as they exit the pipeline. You can control how many enter, what you do when they're inside, and how you catch them as they exit. Nicholas, I actually don't know. Literally, I'm serious. Let me pull this email up. Let me pull the email because I literally asked them, what should I get? Well, what should I practice? And they were like, it's Java. And I was like, that's not that helpful, but thank you. Let's see. What's the dude's name? Okay, literally, I was like, look, I said, thanks. Can you share more details about the interview? And then he said, this will be a coding interview in Java. That's it. That's all we have. That's all we have, man. Oh, I'm tired. You know, streaming really takes it's like I'm parched. I want water. Maybe I'll get up and get some in a bit. All right, my brain is fried. Can we do something fun? What do I like to do for fun? Will you guys watch me play Katan? Or is that not fun? Sometimes I play Katan when I'm really bored or tired. So I think what's going to happen, here's my hunch, is they're going to give me a repository that either maybe they have written or some open source repository in Java. And they're going to be like, all right, let's either write code in this or debug something or make tests work or something like that, where it's going to be like, if you worked with Java, you'll know some of the common gotchas like, oh, pass by reference or pass by value. But if you haven't worked with Java, then you won't know like some of the normal stuff that trip you up. So, yeah, what's up, Hannah? Yeah, to find hackathons, what I would do is go to this site, mlh.io. Like literally just go here, go to hackathons, and just look at these. I mean, there's so many. Like, let's see, what are we in right now? What's the day right now? October 11th. So like you could literally, like, I mean, Washington, Missouri, and a bunch of these are probably remote. Like, see, Hack Harvard. You can just click this. It says apply today, so you can literally apply right now. You can hit apply and just fill this out. And then boom, you can apply. Play QWOP. What is that? I don't think I've ever played this in my life. Jesus. Lamau, what is this? No. Oh, look at that cap strength, baby. Oh, damn. Yo, what's up, Bonnie Pro? Dude, this game is, what is going on? Dude, what is happening? No. All right, I give up. Yo, Muhammad, I love you too, man. Let's play some Katan. Okay, let's see. What am I? I'm green. All right, so I'm in the second position. I'm acting like I know how to play this game optimally, but I don't. My brain is equally fried for coding and for games, so we're just going to have fun with this one. We're just going to, as I like to say, vibe. Vibe. Everyone who's watching, follow me on Instagram so you can see my story of today. I personally think it's hella funny, but maybe you'll disagree. Yo, what's up, 2Girl? Greetings from North Germany. Yo, welcome, man. Oh, wait, it's my turn. Okay, let's see. Okay, we want some wheat. The 8510 looks pretty good because I get 3 resources and they're pretty high income. The only resources I'm missing then are wood and ore. But also there's only one more good ore spot left. Probably 6311. And that's going to be taken. So do I just take the L and not play with ore? Or I can go 843 or wheat sheep. That's pretty solid. I kind of like the 8510. And then I can go to the wheat port. Let's do that. Hannah, this game's called Katan. Look it up. It's a G game. So good, so fun. And you know, for a programmer like me, it's got a decent amount of strategy. So it's kind of stimulating. Numan, what would you say is the most in-demand job in tech right now? Probably like AI engineers, right? Like somewhere like OpenAI or one of these like AI startups. I think AI engineers are super in demand right now because everything these days. I mean, think about your favorite. I wouldn't be surprised if in 2 weeks Columnist is like, oh, check out this like AI that'll help you get better at Katan. Actually, I'm curious. Let's see if ChatGPT will help us with Katan. Where's ChatGPT? Okay, so this is like pretty general advice, but I'm sure if I gave it access to the board or I took a picture or something, because I think you can do vision, then ChatGPT can definitely help you. Yo, Deshaun, yeah, the game started. I'm currently in it.
458. Wait, how did I not see that? Is that better than the A510? I don't think so though, because right, 8 wheat is way better than 8 sheep. So I think I still made the right decision, but that's not a bad spot. Feel free to ask me any questions, by the way, while we play this game. I'm mostly just going to be chilling. All these robots are ruining the game. I love chess, for example. It's ruined for me. Yeah, that's true. Even colonists, like, or in this, like, Katan, if someone's losing, they just leave, and then the bot starts playing, and then I'm like, why? I don't want to play a bot. Yo, what's up, Loomer? Dude, I appreciate it. Thanks, man. Good luck with the move. I know it's scary whenever you start something different. I mean, I was scared when I left my job, so I totally get that change can be really, really scary, but it's usually really good. And I feel like the moments we grow the most are ones where we feel uncomfortable and we're like, damn, maybe it's not all gonna work out. And then you gotta push yourself and figure it out, you know? Greetings from Brazil. Yo, what's up, Victor? Eu falo português porque eu morei no Brasil por 3 anos. Mas agora eu esqueci muito, então eu preciso praticar. Eu acho. How's that? How's that? How's that? Yo, it's a Dawn. Dawn. Yo, appreciate it. No, I miss Brazil so much. Like actually though, like the people I met, some of the nicest people who truly know how to enjoy life, how to live a good life. Like it's just I miss it. I miss the culture too, and my Portuguese used to be so good. I really want to visit again. Okay. The second placement. So see, now we can't get ore and wood at the same time. So which one do we take an L on? I feel like if I get that 6 ore, it can't be blocked all the time because 2 other people are on it. And also I can have a decent like ore wheat sheep setup. Ore wheat sheep. Ore wheat sheep. Or I can, yeah, and then I can maybe build to the 912. That doesn't sound horrible, right? And then once I get the 912, it's pretty GG, I think. Yeah, let's go here. But it kind of sucks with the 1112. But I think I want the ore. Have I ever tried building my own startup? No. I mean, the closest I came, I guess, is this YouTube channel. It's kind of like, see, the thing with YouTube is it's kind of like starting a company, right? Like you A/B test, you try to find product market fit in terms of like what videos people want to watch. You get feedback in the comments. You try different things. You try to grow it. So it's kind of like starting a company. And so I feel like it's kind of scratched that itch for me. YouTube has kind of been like I've started my company. I would love at some point to start a tech company. I think that would be really fun, especially with my friends. But right now I'm kind of enjoying where I'm in my life. So probably not anytime soon. Java looks a lot like Katan. Yeah. That's funny. Yeah, in terms of it's hella complicated and you barely understand what's going on. Yeah, I agree. Also makes your head hurt, your eyes water. That's facts. You know what I'm excited about? My brother's coming home tomorrow too. So the whole family's going to be together. So that'll be kind of cool. Maybe I'll bring him on stream. My goal, by the way, for everyone watching is I want to stream every single day. Like actually every single day. Oh, the robber. Let's see. Okay, we got to definitely block like probably nobody can get brick. But who do I want to steal from? I mean, I don't know. Alan already used his wood because he just built that. Did blue get any notes? So probably black. Because I want... No, actually I want brick. I want brick. So blue? Actually, they both have brick. No! Streaming every single day is... oh, true. Like I'm not gonna like get angry if I can't stream every day, but I think that'd be really fun. So here's the thing. I don't want to stream for the sake of streaming as a goal. What I want to do is get better at interviewing and interview prep, and that means studying. But I'm hella lazy and I don't want to study. So if I have, not have to, but if I live stream and I'm studying, then like sure I can play Katan and waste my time, but most often I'm gonna have to do some work. Otherwise everyone's gonna be like, what the hell is going on? No, that's so sad. I don't really want all this. And so I feel like if I stream, then I'm more likely to actually do the work and understand stuff and help you all on the way too. So I'm hoping to do that. But yes, I might not be able to do every day, but I want to do as many days as I can whenever I can. The other thing I was thinking about is like, how do you figure out what time is good for streaming? Because everyone's in different locations. So I guess I'll just stream whenever I can, and then whoever's online can watch. Is that kind of the best way, you think? Because I feel like there's no time that's going to work for everyone, right? How many LeetCode questions can you answer? Probably on a good day when I'm not like dead inside and tired. Maybe like, I don't know, 30 to 50 maybe. I feel like once you do like 10 or 15 of them, a lot of them are kind of the same vibe. Yo, Mackie Plier, you're so right. Java and Catan ruin friendships. That is true. That is true. Oh, Victor, you're a QA software engineer studying automation. That's dope, man. That's so exciting. That is so exciting. Is that a good amount to answer before actually applying to interview? So here's my opinion on interviewing, right? You can do X amount of LeetCode problems in an interview, or you can just start interviewing. And then you'll fail a bunch of interviews, but it'll be practice. Because even when you LeetCode, it's not the same as doing an interview. And that just takes a different type of skill. I would say you, after like 10 or 15 LeetCode questions, as long as you do different ones, like some array, some linked list, some string, some tree, whatever, you're in like decent shape. Like you can probably get started. Now, I'm not saying you're going to pass every interview you do back from then on, but like I think it's a good enough to start. And then after like 5 or 10 interviews, you'll be there. Harvard CS50, very good. Harvard CS50 is very good. Probably one of my top recommendations. I'm barely paying attention to this game too. Honestly, I might just have to go to sleep soon. I'm so tired. So sick of hearing about LeetCode. You know, honestly, me too. Let's talk about something else. Ooh, Araba. I really think this brick just has to be like perma-blocked, so then people can't build roads. But Red keeps building roads somehow. I'm gonna have to steal from Red. I think Red's actually kind of ahead. Bro, I don't want sheep, man. There's been a robber literally every, what, 2 turns? No, please don't steal from me. What do I need to build a settlement? Oh, I need wood, of course. I don't have any wood. And wheat. Has wheat rolled? Are you on that coffee grind or not a big fan of caffeine? I don't really drink caffeine. I'm gonna be honest, dude. Another robber. It's crazy. Let's share the love. Let's steal from someone else. Yes, sweet. Let's go. All right, now I just hope for a wood, but 12's not gonna roll. I'll have to probably trade for it. So I don't really drink much caffeine, honestly. Any shows I'm watching, I am gonna watch the morning show. It's on Apple TV. The new season just came out, so I've been watching that. I just finished The Bear, the second season of The Bear on Hulu. That was pretty fire. I really enjoyed that. But haven't been watching that much TV, honestly. Also, I think it's probably getting late for people, so if people are hopping off and stuff, totally okay. I'm probably gonna hop off after this game ends, um, and then probably just crash. But then I'll be back tomorrow, hopefully. I'm also gonna chug water because my throat is parched. Yeah, The Bear is insane. I think the second season was actually better than the first season. It's like they figured out how to do it even better. It was crazy. Did you guys watch some of the montages, like the cuts? There were some scenes that I was like, this is insane. And, you know, I make YouTube videos, and I really enjoy it. Let's see if we can get a wood. I don't think anyone's going to give a sheep for a wood, but what if maybe like a... Oh, what? Really? Oh, bet. Sick. Now I can get wood. Let's go. But yeah, some of the cut montages, insane. And then morning show, I mean, is so banger. What are you guys watching? Richie has a fire character arc. I totally agree. Mehdi, what do you think about web dev in the future? I just started learning it. Web dev isn't going anywhere. You know, everything is a website. So it's still going to be around. But yeah, I understand. It's pretty draining. And there's also a lot of moving parts, a lot of frameworks, a lot of stuff you have to do. So it's definitely not easy. Loomer, I gotta go to bed, gotta work tomorrow. Good night, good luck, everyone. Yo, Loomer, thanks for coming in, man. Enjoy work. Hopefully, they don't work you too hard. Get a good night's rest, and I will see you very soon. Take care, man. Hannah, sounds like a reality TV show. Actually, all of them are fiction. No reality TV. The only reality TV I've been watching is Love is Blind. The $1 Billion Code. Oh, what's that? The $1 Billion Code. I've never heard of that. The $1 Billion Code. Crime. A group of tech engineers who claim to be the creators of the idea behind Google. Yo, I've heard of this. It's based on a true story, right? It is based on a true story. Yo, yes, I have heard of this actually. That's crazy. Okay, good. Thank you for reminding me. I'll have to watch it. Let's go. The block. Dude, if I can just get some wheat now, please. Come on, please. No. Have I watched Suits? Of course I've watched Suits. That is probably one of the best shows I've ever seen. Still, to this day, probably one of the best pilots I've ever seen. The pilot of that show is insane. Like, I don't know how you don't watch that show after watching the pilot. But I will say, I mean, it's not a big deal because I watched like 7 seasons and then I got tired of it. At some point I was like, all right, this is getting kind of repetitive. But I mean, come on, 7 seasons and then it got repetitive. I mean, that's a W, right? That's a W. So I don't know if I watched like seasons 8 or 9 or how many ever it went to, but I watched a good amount, a really, really good amount. Yeah, Suits is addicting. I'm not gonna lie. Also, gotta get to bed. I got a biochem exam tomorrow, but I appreciate your streams, Nutman. I hope this whole YouTube grind plays off. Have a good one, King. Yo, dude, I appreciate it. Thank you. Good luck on your exam, man. Remember, what is it? The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. That's all you gotta know, man. If you know that, you're gonna get 100. But appreciate you coming out. Have a good night. Good luck with everything. Wish you only the best. I do get hella brick. Should I just hold this? I think I just hold this. Yo, what's up, Arvin? Dude, we did some Java, but like, my head is fried, man. Here it is. Here's the Java. Look at this. Look at this disgusting Disgusting Java. So we play Katan instead. How you doing, Arvind? Dude, I have so much ore. This is crazy. It's like a quarry out here. Yo, my friend's calling me. I don't even know. Like, can I pick up a phone call on stream? I don't even know how to mute my mic and stuff. Me too. Gotta grind in my Microsoft job. It's shit, but it pays the bills. Yo, good luck, man. Have a good night. Enjoy work tomorrow. Yo, I need some sheep. Can someone give me a wheat? Please? 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 Please, 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 please? No one wants to give me wheat? That's so sad, man. Yo, see ya, Victor. Okay, wait, please, can you just give me a wheat, please? Please give me wheat. Alright, whatever. Be like that then. I want to build a settlement. Can I get some brick, please? Yo, what's up, Kevin? Yo, distributed systems programmer. I appreciate you, man. Have a good night. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're enjoying the streams. I'm still kind of figuring it out. A little bit of coding, a little bit of Catan, a little bit of degeneracy. Yo, let's go. I can get a city now. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. No robber, no robber, no robber. Let's go. Dope. Kevin, dude, of course I remember you, man. Used to comment on the early vids. Can't forget an OG. Lol, my friend texted me and he's like, why did I see that you're streaming Java and then when I logged on, you're playing Katan? It'd be like that. It'd be like that. Rohit, what is my progress so far? Well, I'm playing Katan now, so you can see that I gave up all hope. Nah, I'm kidding. I've made some decent progress. I kind of rejogged my memory from the early days. But in terms of actual production level Java, like, I mean, I don't even think I'm close. That actually reminds me, what is Spring Boot? I should probably spend some time learning that. Whoa, the 12 hit. That's crazy. Wait, who's winning? I've barely been paying attention to this. I guess Red's doing pretty well. Actually, Black's doing pretty well too. Why not Kotlin? Yo, you should ask the company. They're forcing me to do Java. I wish I could do Kotlin. It's way less words, way less characters. Let's see. I can't really do anything with this. Unless someone gives me this, I can get a dev card. I guess we hold. No, my wheat. My wheat. My wheat. My wheat, 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 wheat. Does it ever bother you that every action we do is already determined on a causal line? Also, I question if I really need to exist. I need to seek therapy. That was a lot, and I'm too tired to fully make sense of that, but you know, man, it's gonna be okay. Oh man, I just want some wheat, man. Wait, I can't give up. This shit is hella rare. Let me give up like one of this, one of this, one of this, one of this, maybe. What is the goal of this game? It is to get to some 10 victory points, I think. It's got to definitely be red, right? Red is like crushing right now. Let's go. Got the wheat. Now I just need one more ore to hit. Oh, that's a lot of wheat. I don't really want that much wheat. The tech stuff has me feeling an imposter. Yeah, dude, that's it's literally me every single day. Whoa, I have so many resources. This is crazy. No robber, please. Nice. I guess here. And then I don't even know. Maybe here. Just some sheep, and then I can build a settlement. Ore is common, you can trade for it. That's true, actually, because there's two cities. Actually, I'm in the city. There's two cities in ore. Wait, why am I not getting any sheep now? Oh, that 8 is gonna be perma blocked now. Black, why you gotta do me like that? No, 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 please, 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 please. Not the 8, not the 8, not the. Why did you solo block me? That's just unnecessary. Oh, I haven't been getting any dev cards. I'm kind of losing track of the. Whoa, wait a second. Yeah, I'll take that. Give that to me right now. Yeah, black. That's what happens, man. That's what happens when you do that to me. Please give me brick. No, I can't even get brick now because it's blocked. Oh, no, 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 no. Do I have to really trade all these for brick? I'll give you 2. I'll give 2. I'll literally give 2. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 2, 2. Come on, you know you want this. You know you want this. You know you want this. Damn. Really, you don't want that? Fine, fine, fine. Be like that. Okay, be like that. Oh, that was such a good trade. That robber really destroyed us. Am I ready for the interview? I don't know. I feel not that bad about it. You know, like initially I was like, damn, what is Java? Private, primitive, public, static. But then I kind of re-jogged my memory. It's like a language, right? Like when you learn it way back, you're like, damn, I forgot everything. But then when you speak a little bit, you go to the country, you spend a couple days, it kind of comes back to you. So do I know anything about Spring Boot or how to connect to the Java database or use the API? No. But if I see Java syntax now, I don't get scared anymore. So like kind of makes sense to me. It's not gibberish anymore. I still need to spend a little bit more time like familiarizing myself with something like Spring Boot, for example. Which actually, let's just use ChatGPT to do that. Just be like, yo, just write me some Spring Boot. Now I get sheep. Teach me about Java Spring Boot. Okay. Oh, Spring is different than Spring Boot? What? I didn't know that. Spring versus Spring Boot. I don't need wheat. Yo, what's up, Brian? Hi from Mexico. Hello, Mexico. That kind of rhymed. What is spring? Jesus, so many acronyms. Makes me want to puke. Dude, why are you stealing from me? Can you not see red is like kind of destroying? Red's gonna get largest army too. Template engine. Spring just kind of feels like Django. Spring application.run. Yeah, see, that just looks hard. Oh yeah, you always want to see this? We were trying to figure out the Wi-Fi for our house, and so we wanted to make it kind of fun. So, wait, what is this? Get good at Katan. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at this. Look at how funny some of these are. Pretty fly for a Wi-Fi. Wu-Tang LAN. John Wilkes Bluetooth. I believe Wyken Phi. Bill Y the Science Phi. Lord of the Pings. Tell my Wi-Fi lover. The Wi-Fi strikes back. It burns when I pee. Like, that's fire. That's fire right there. That's some fire. What is going on? Yeah, I'll take that. Actually, wait, what does that give blue? A settlement? I guess that's fine. You know, we didn't even change our Wi-Fi name, though. We need to do that now. Password is taco. Bill Y the Science Phi? That's one of my favorites. Yo, what's up, Shresh? Damn, I'm getting sheep like it's nobody's business. Or as my friend likes to say, lamb buffet. We got a lamb buffet. All right, I guess no more lamb buffet. All right, we're definitely blocking this. Ooh, actually red is kind of destroying. Let's get rid of red's wheat. Wheat is powerful. I do not need more wood, man. Can someone give me a brick, please? 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 Come on, blue. You know you want it. You know you want it. I guess you don't want it. I guess we hold. The password is password. Rumba, wanna bet a rumba, 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 rumba. Dude, blue's looking kind of scary now too. If he connects that road, it might be GG. He might have two. No, not again. You want to try something? I made these screens. I'm going to do something. Tell me if you see intermission. Okay, I'm back. But write in chat if you saw intermission. I'm still learning how to use OBS, so it's all kind of new to me. But I'm assuming that's like if I want to go use the bathroom or take a call or something, I can just like put it on intermission? Huh? Is that what people do? Is that what the big streamers do? Yeah. Haha, we here, boys. So wait, when it was on intermission, could you hear me? Could you like hear my voice when I showed you intermission? Or did it just go like silent? I think it just goes silent because I couldn't even hear myself, or I couldn't even see like the audio levels. Let's see. Oh, I finally got brick. Okay, cool. And now I don't have sheep. And now they took my wood. Literally, the only resource I need just gets taken from me. Hey, what's up, Shreyas? Where's my brother? He's in New York. He's actually coming home tomorrow, so I'll see him here. I came a day early. He's gonna come tomorrow. Rumba, chicka 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 rumba, rumba, chicka 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 rumba. There wasn't any sound during the intermission. Okay, that makes sense. I think it just cuts everything out. So I guess I can take calls and stuff during intermission. I'm also pretty sure I can just mute myself, which I need to figure out how to do. Maybe on this audio mixer. Do you guys notice I got this little like overlay thing on the webcam thing, so you can see my little name and stuff? You know, day by day, we're becoming more and more official, learning more things. Learning more things, learning more things. Now I have no wood, so I can't make a... Dude, blue is looking hella scary. Yo, can someone take army? Blue might have the win. Wait, red also. Jesus. Black, we need to work together. Who's that? Red? No, bro, I cannot trade with red, man. What just happened? Who won? Blue? Oh, okay, that makes sense. Okay, my friends, it is quite late and I am tired. I guess I went back an hour in time, right? Because New York's an hour ahead, so it's technically like 12. I'm running on 12:30 a.m. really, but it's 11:30 here. Thanks for tuning in. Great chatting with you. We'll be back tomorrow, I think. So I will see you then. Take care, sleep well, good night, and I will see you very soon. Peace. Peace.